So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of 4 products from Logiix. 2 of them are battery banks and the other 2 are charging cables. So pretty much everybody could use these because we all have smartphones and we need to keep them charged. So let's get started with this unboxing. First up, we're going to look at the Piston Power 10,000 milliamp Crystal Mag. This is a MagSafe compatible backup battery bank. So you can put it on the back of any MagSafe compatible smartphone, including the iPhone. Just clip it onto the back and you have 10,000 milliamps of power inside it to give you pretty much an extra 25 hours of charge. So let's go ahead and have a look. I love this sleek design of when you open it up. So it really is super easy to get access to. It has that little lip here that you pull out. And here's the bank itself. It's got a premium, nice, almost kind of nerdy look to it with this kind of a transparent cover where you can see what's going on underneath. Here you have USB 20 watt and also the USB-A. Very premium look to it. I like it. Very nice. Transparent also on the back as well. Love it. So let's check out the next one. This is the Piston Power 10,000 milliamp Crystal. Kind of a similar look. Same kind of thing. 25 hours of extra power for your digital devices. But this one you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. This also has a transparent design, so let's take a look at it. Similar opening to the other one. Open it up with this lip and then you get access to the power bank itself. And it does have that transparent look to it. Very nice. Oh, is there some plastic on here? Yes, there is. Let me just take this off. It does come with this plastic film originally on it. Look at that. That's beautiful. This is a premium battery bank. And we all need these battery banks. Again, you can charge 3 devices at the same time. And look at that. Amazing. I really, really like this. This is a premium power bank, I have to say. Okay, let's move on along to the Piston Connect Armour Plus. We have this both for USB-C and Lightning, so they're going to be similar. Let's take a look. This is one thing you can never run out or have too much of, and that is charging cables for your digital devices, because you're going to lose them and you're going to need them again. Now this is really nice. I love this cable. Oh, and this is a really important, this is probably the one reason why you want to get this. If your charging cable is going to fail, it's going to fail right at this end. And look at this. Look at the protection that you're getting. Amazing. This is like the most durable cable that I've ever seen. And it's on both sides. Absolutely love this. Amazing. So I'm expecting that the Armour Plus for USB-C will be similar. This one looks pretty long too. Look, 3 meters, 10 feet. Oh my God, finally. This is amazing. Everyone needs one of these longer cables. They really, really come in handy. And again, look at the durable, even the fabric on here. This is a very, very durable cable. Even has the ability to organize it. Man, they thought of everything. I love it. So that makes it super easy to organize. And again, this is 10 feet long. Wow. So thankful that they are making cables like this. You know that this is going to be a great investment. It is going to last for a long time. So again, 4 products from Logiix. Great brand. They make some excellent products. I've been using them for years and I will continue to do so because they're putting out some great products like these power banks. We're looking at the Piston Power Crystal Mag. That one is right here. And then also the Crystal. So you got the Crystal and the Crystal Mag. And then you have both their Armour Plus Piston Connect Armour Plus cables. Highly recommend you check this out if you're looking for durable accessories for your smartphone. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think of Logiix if you ever used it. Love to hear your thoughts. Handy Andy, signing out. See you again.